name is Mark Rick. I'm the Quality Manager for Print Service and Manufacturing. So when we do onboarding, we pull up the procedures that are applied to quality for the operators on the floor. There are 3 procedures that we use, and we review them with a new employee, go over the information on the documents, and give them a copy of the documents to keep personally. Then we fill out a training form and turn it into the HR department. So the QPO system is set up for allowing each department to verify and certify that the parts are good. The QPO stands for Quality Process Owner. Each department has 2, a lead and a secondary, for approving the jobs. The primary purpose is that the operator signs the paperwork saying that they have done the job, and the QPO verifies it by the prints. So we have training on how to read a print, such as for progression, and also for weld symbols and brick dimensions. We use hand tools such as calipers, micrometers, tape measures, and they are all tagged with an ISO certification. We have a CMM for more integral dimensions and customers that require that kind of measurements. We do PPAPs for customers in the automotive or assembly type of industry that requires it for their own certification. We also do a certificate of conformance for certain customers, and also leak test certifications. So in an event of a non-conformance, depending on whether it's internal or external, on the internals we document it through the portal system that we have, and it brings the job back onto the floor to be remade, either recut, repaired, or whatever it takes to get the part back into conformance. When we have a customer complaint, they either want us to fix what we've sent them or remake what we've sent them. So the part will return to us if it's a rework, and we repair the part and cycle it back through as if it was a regular brand new job. So we score our production numbers against the non-conformance numbers on a weekly basis, and for the year 2022 so far, we are averaging over 99% compliance. We do our best to respond to the customer, and we do our best to make sure that the customer is getting everything that they need as soon as possible. We go on the floor and we press the departments to make sure that we are advancing the non-conformances as quickly as possible. They get inspected by not only the QPOs but the quality personnel on the floor.